ऐसा है तो बड़ी 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 बातें, पैसा है तो 5 साल
टाइम है तो लंबी लंबी जिंदगी है। टाइम है तो लंबी लंबी जिंदगी, यू है ना।
पैसा है तो टाइम है तो लंबी 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 जिंदगी।
If you have a time, you can long live life. But if you don't, I know if you have a lots of time. But if you don't have a money for caring our life, how will you live life? How will you live life?
But you
But what can you say? What can you say? You can't touch me because I don't touch you.
ma'am, listen to me carefully. Okay?
I listen manners.
You don't have manners, ma'am.
How can you say that? Because you are touching me. You are touching me. How will you purchase
I
clothes?
haven't want listen to me.
How will you purchase many clothes?
Listen to me.
With the help of money, na? With the help of money?
No. I have many clothes. Without time, I have earned money. Then I will buy clothes.
So money is very important. You can.
Ladies and gentlemen, be stay on this video. आज कुछ तुमको हटके दिखा दें. Ladies and gentlemen, what are you supporting first of all?
Money.
So what are you going to do actually? आप लड़ाई करने वाले हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, क्या करने वाले हैं?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, what are you going to do?
I am fighting with not use
I am
hand.
fighting. I will fight
I will do fight with not use hand.
without hands.
I
By mouth.
Yes.
Bow mouth.
Yes.
Bow mouth. Come on, bow mouth.
Mouth and with bird.
With words you are going to fight. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not fight of lathi and danda. It is not fight of gun and banduk. It is not fight of balu and banduk. Balu and banduk, right? Should we start our debate?
Yes, sir.
One person will come in this team, come from this team actually, and he will put his point and come on, you can read.
Yes.
Money is better than time because with the help of money you can do study. With the help of money you can purchase clothes. With the help of money you can eat the food.
Hello, ma'am. You say that with the help of money, you will purchase books, but you will purchase time.
Money is powerful. With the help of money I can purchase time.
You will purchase time.
Yeah, of course.
Wow. Powerful.
Ma'am, you have any money but don't have time. Why are you purchase clothes? Why are you purchase books?
If you go to market, how will you purchase clothes?
But ma'am,
If you go to market, how will you purchase clothes? First of all, give me my answer, and next time I will give you answer.
bus I
First my question answer, and after that I will give you answer. You are not understand?
Wait. I have already many clothes. Wait.
How will you purchase
I
clothes?
haven't want listen to me.
How will you purchase many clothes?
Listen to me.
With the help of money, na? With the help of money?
No. I have many clothes. Without time, I have earned money. Then I will buy clothes.
So money is very important. You can waste your time with the help. You can waste your time. Buy the money. You can earn money.
Wait. Without time, you earn money. Without time, you earn money.
If you have a lot of time, how will you eat the food?
Wait. You earn money without time. Without time, you earn money. You earn money.
time is very important. You have
Why time is very important?
Because you have used to earn money. You have a time.
Nothing. I have a servant. I have a money. I will put one servant under of me because I will give so many. I will give so many work and he is completed work on me.
You can buy exterminate.
I will give you money. You can work upon me. You can work upon me.
No.
Because at this time money is very important. In the generation money is very. Without money you can't do anything, sir.
Without time, you can't do anything.
How can you say that? How can you say
If
that?
you earn money.
If you
Okay, come on.
I will. Second one.
Oh my God! He has loosened actually. He has loosened. Oh my God. Next. Yeah, you have to go actually, Mr. You have to go.
Without time you can't come here. Without time you can't eat the food.
without time you can't do study.
No ma'am. I have a time.
Without money you can't. You
Without
cannot
time
study.
you can't come here. Without time.
Please
Ma'am,
silence.
ma'am. You won't. Ma'am, even during the one takes of time.
Oh my God! You have a time.
Yeah, of course I have a time.
You have a time. So
Sir,
study.
sir, sir,
But
sir.
without money you can't
Listen to me, sir. Listen to me, sir.
purchase books.
Even-
Yeah, of course. I listen.
Stop break.
Without time you not here. Without time you not here.
Yeah, of course I have a time, so I am come here. But
Without money you
because
can't
come.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
If you have a lots of time,
Yeah.
you can come here, but you can't do the study because if you don't have a money.
No.
Every teachers are earning money because they are teaching so many students.
No, ma'am. We've at that time so many gurukuls and no, sir.
You talking about before some time. You guys
I am
talking about
talking
before
about
some
that
time.
time.
At this
What
time,
time? At that
Gurukul is
time.
not allowed. At this time, Gurukul
No.
is not allowed.
Yes, money is very important.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Answer the question, ma'am. You says me money is everything.
Yes.
Can you bring dead back to life?
He is trying.
Without
to,
money, you not
he,
eat food.
Excuse me.
Sir.
He is talking something else. You are talking something else. He is trying to say, can you bring life with the help of money? If someone has died, can you make him alive again by the money? He's trying to say that. Answer the question first of all. If you have answered, then please answer the question.
Every people are.
Oh my God! Come on. Very nice, very nice. She is not able to answer.
Ma'am, without money you cannot achieve your goal. And going to other city, but why are you timing your money? What are you important? Money is your time.
She was talking about you cannot go to other country without
Ma'am,
money.
Ma'am, I have a time, so I am walking other country. But
Excuse me?
yeah,
You can go to by
Yes,
walking.
sir.
Sir,
Yes,
please
sir.
don't
Yes,
say-
sir. I have a time, sir.
No,
With
no,
time,
it
by
is-
the time, sir.
no.
Sir, by
Sir,
the
you are
time,
wrong.
sir, by the time. But sir,
Sir, I am-
without money, you
Without
can't
time.
go to.
Without time.
Yes, sir.
No problem. He has out. Actually.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on. I mean, you say, वक्त बदल गया, जज्बात बदल गए, सब बदलते जा रहा है. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, now you have chance to make your team win. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen.
First of all, I requested you to please stick on one point, okay?
Yeah, I understand.
If you want to learn something new, okay? Will you learn by money?
Yeah, of course.
Money?
Yeah, of course.
If you want to learn cricket, like, ठीक है, okay? If you want to learn cricket, by money you play cricket. By money you will play best.
I
what?
don't want learn cricketer.
Wait, I will say without time you can learn money. Without time you can learn any new activity.
Yeah, of course.
Activity without time.
With the help of money.
You can purchase the.
Wait. I will not purchase anything.
So why
How will you play cricket? How will you play cricket?
No,
I
why
say,
you want
good,
cricket?
I say some new activity like I will play kabaddi. Okay.
Hey, first of all, you said you
I
want
will-
to play
I will-
cricket. You want to play
You are
cricket?
talking about cricket.
Yeah,
You are talking
you
about
want to
cricket.
play cricket? First of all, you should play.
Sir.
You should purchase one cricket, one
Wait,
bat
wait,
and
wait.
one ball.
Wait.
After that, you will practice.
I am my friends. My friends have ball and cricket.
But they also purchase with the help of money. You know.
No. Your friend are purchase. Not. But I want to learn something new.
You are talking about play cricket. So, sir, please tell me talking about cricket.
Yes, I will talking on some new activity learn. If you
First of all, I am talking about
If you
cricket.
want to learn-
First of all, you give me
Mr.
example.
Suraj, you have to stick here. You are talking about
I am
cricket.
not talking about cricket. You are also talking about cricket.
You were talking about cricket, and you were talking about that how we can learn, and you are talking about that we can learn by the time. So they spoke about that you can play cricket without bat, without ball, without stump.
My friends have, sir.
You are where they brought
friends
actually.
The
I am
reason is
my
that
friend.
your friends have a lots of money. That's why they are purchasing.
I have. If you have ball and cricket, okay.
Without money, I can't have ball and cricket.
Yes.
Without money, I can't have.
Without time you can earn money. Without time you can earn money.
Without time,
Yes,
money is very important.
I know, but without time you can earn money. Without time.
I have already money, so why are you wasting
How
my
did
time?
money come?
Because my-
Say me.
Because of my hard work.
Without time you will do hard work.
So why I am doing hard work? I have already have money.
I am supporting
Sir,
money.
sir,
I am
she
supporting
said,
money.
I am hard work, then I have money. But she don't say why did without time she do hard work.
But time is
Wait. You tell.
In
Time
you
is-
can go
Without
to
time you do hard work.
and get the pin. So you can do hard work at the time. Only give your
Yes.
You are farmer.
Yes, of course.
You are do the hard work in your.
Yes.
Why are you do the
Doing
hard work in your field?
Why are you doing?
Why?
Why?
Because my
Because of
experience.
money. Because
No,
of
no,
money.
because my
Because you have
experience.
a lots of
My
need.
experience.
Because you have a lots of need.
He's only talking about the cricket. Why are you?
No.
First of all, you give me answer for cricket.
Yeah.
You are you are coming here. First of all, you are telling me you are give me only 1 by 1 point.
Yes,
You
yes,
are
yes.
also telling.
I will tell you. I will say just thing. You want to learn something new. Why?
I want to learn. I want to become a cricketer. How will you become cricketer with the
I
help of
say that if you want to learn something new, without time you can't learn anything. Without time you can't learn anything.
Sir,
I will say that.
He's telling the right.
No. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Mr. Vishal asked you one question. He asked you that if you are doing hard work at your field, okay, you are harvesting the crops, you are doing hard work. Why you are doing first of all? Why? For money?
No.
Because of for what?
You can't-
Because of my home.
Because of your home?
Yes, sir. Because of my.
Because you have a need. Because you have a need.
Yes. Now you have mistake. Now you have.
Go there.
No. Oh my God.